Hi everyone! So this is Belle from Team Big. We are here at Kamaya Coast and today, explain ko sa inyo yung mga requirements na kailangan nating i-provide pag gusto nating bumili ng property dito sa Kamaya Coast.
Hello future Kamaya Coast residents! It's Belle from Team Big and today we're making your dream of owning a property here a reality. I'm going to walk you through a simple steps and requirements for buying your piece of paradise. Number 1, choose your property. First things first, explore our wide range of properties, from condos to residential lots. We have something for everyone. Number 2, reservation. Once you've found your dream property, it's time to reserve it. This secures your unit or lot and takes it off the market. A reservation fee is required which varies depending on the property type. This fee is deductible from your down payment. Number 3, submission of requirements. To proceed with your purchase, we'll need a few documents from you. This typically includes a valid ID, proof of billing, and income documents. Our team will guide you through this process and ensure everything is in order.
So yan po yung mga requirements na kailangan natin. If you are interested, mag-message po kayo sa akin and itutour ko po kayo dito sa loob ng Kamaya Coast.